this is my redo of 2.3. My big problem was that I was not going the right direction on problem 10. So problem 10 says f of x equals negative 1/2 x minus 5. So the y-intercept is going to be this negative 5. Oops, I probably should have gone further down. Probably further down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the point 0, negative 5. That's the y-intercept. And then this negative 1/2 tells me I need to go down 1 and over 2, down 1 and over 2, down 1 and over 2. And so my slope, this negative 1 over 2, is the rise over the run, so I know that I go down and to the right. So that was one problem I needed to redo for 2.3. And then the next one, I might need to flip my paper over. What I needed to redo was problem 24. And problem 24 gave you two coordinates. So here's problem 24. And the two coordinates were 2, 9, and 12, 4. And let me just check that. Okay. And so if I want to figure out what the rise and run are, I need to do some subtraction well, I don't even really need to draw this and graph it, but really you would go 1, 2 over and up 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the second one is 12, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be like this. But really, the most important part was finding the slope. And so the slope equals the change in y over the change in x. And I think that was my problem. I think that I was doing the change in x over the change in y. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 was this 12. Oh wait, maybe I'm wrong. y2, yeah, over y1. Hold on, let me refer to my notes. Maybe I have messed this up. y2 over y1. Yeah, those are my notes over x2. Okay. So, with that in mind, you're going to take y2, which is 4, and you're going to subtract 9. And then you're going to take x2, which is 12, and subtract 2. And so your m ends up being, obviously 4 take away 9 is going to leave you with a negative 5. And 12 minus 2 is going to leave you with 10. And if you reduce that fraction, then your slope is negative 1/2. Now, I did not have to redo the third problem because I got that correct. Whoop, whoop. So, oh my God, these papers, I'm so sorry. So I'm going to skip to problem 96, which I didn't explain quite correctly. So problem 96 was about what the slope in the lawnmower problem represented and what the y-intercept what the y-intercept meant. So this problem starts with t of x equals negative 300x plus 2400. And so really this 2400 is your y-intercept, and it's way up here. And that's 2400. And really, what this negative 300 means is per each year it goes down, or really per summer, it goes down in value $300. So, it would go down to 1800, but then it would go over 1 year or 1 summer. And then it would go down to, we'll call this 1500, and that would be 2 summers. And then it's going to go down to 1200. Did I miss one? Oh yeah, I missed one. 2100. So that's 1 summer, 2 summers, 3 summers, 4 summers. So on the 4th summer is when it would be $1,200. So that's what the question was asking. And then you asked me to be more clear, and I think maybe it was because I just said it would go down $300, but I didn't say this piece, that $300 per 1 year or 1 summer. So hopefully I cleared that up for you and made you feel like I know what I am talking about. And that $2,400 is the original, so the how much the original cost was, and then it goes down. So hopefully I cleared that up. Thanks.